Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Do you know? In this video, we are going to learn about the sets and dictionaries in Python. And we will see the key differences between these two. Many beginners get confused because both use the curly bracket. However, they serve completely different purposes. We will see everything about these two in this video. And by the end of this video, you will understand what are the sets and dictionaries, how to access these two key differences between them, and when to use each one. Let's get started. So let's start with the set first. What is a set? Set is a collection of unique values. Like set 1, I have created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4 like this. You see here there are duplicates value inside the set 1 and set is created with a curly bracket. That's why a beginner gets confused. Dictionary is also gets created with a curly bracket. We will see each one by one so that you may not be confused and you will understand what the key differences between these two. So here is a set 1 and there are value in it are duplicates, but the set is the collection of only unique value, but here is a duplicate. When you print this set 1 and you will run it for the results, you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 2 twice, 3 twice and 4 twice. But here what we have in result 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is no twice number coming here because set automatically removes the duplicates value. This is what a set is. Set is the collection of only unique values. Now this is for the set. It is not restricted to create only with the numbers value. You can also create with the text value like apple, like banana, like 1.2 is the boolean value, like true, false, like none, like this. You can also create with this type of value. Just T for true, F for false, N for none. Because Python is a case sensitive program. Have to write the way it is written. So true, false are the boolean value. None for non-data type, and these are two decimals value, that means floating value, and here we have some text value, and after that we have number value. So you see here we have a mixed of data type value here, but multiple duplicates here. Now let's run this. You will have no duplicate in this. You can check this one. You have apple, and now by creating set we have two apple, but here is a single apple, and numbers and false none and banana is a single. That's why we have. So set is a collection of only unique value. No matter how many duplicates value you are putting into that curly bracket while creating a set, but when you want to show the result, you will have only unique value. Duplicate value gets removed automatically. So this is the way of creating a set. Or you can say what is a set. Now you understand what is a set. Since set is an unordered, what does this mean? This means sets items do not have their fixed position, fixed index number, so that you can access by putting the index number, like what we have used in list and tuples cases. If you want to know detail about the tuples and the list, I do have a video over my YouTube channel. Please go and have a refer there. So unordered means like what we have this set like cherry, and now what we have set like this, and now want to see what is the result of set 1. We have banana, apple, cherry as a result. Now just create a terminal and we have some zoom in. Now when we run it, we have banana, cherry, banana, apple and cherry as a result. Now you see banana comes at first, but while we creating apple is at 1, and now in result you have banana at 1. Now again run it, you have cherry at 1 as a result, but Here you have banana at 1. How does this happen? Every time you run, the item of the set replaced with their position. Sometimes it results out at first, times at result out at second, sometimes at third. So there is no fixed position of the item of a set. That's what I am saying, that set items are unordered. That means they do not have their position fixed. That's why we saying set is a collection of unique values. That is why I am saying set is a collection of only unique values and they are unordered. That means sets items do not have their fixed index number, and if they do not have fixed index number, then we can't access the item. What is the alternate way of accessing the sets item? Let's check. Now access sets item. Only the looping method will show your items. Meaning through looping method you can access the sets item, but you cannot access by their index number. So how to write a loop for having the accessing of sets item? For x is set 1, and now going to run it. Let's comment it, and now let's run it. You have cherry, banana and apple. You have all the three items one by one as a result, but you cannot access a single item. You can also check if this item is available or unavailable in the set. So if banana in a set, then print yes, banana is in the set. Now let's run. Yes, banana is in the set because banana is there. If you write banana not in the set, now let's run, giving no answer because banana is there. That's why is giving no answer. So you can access using the loop method, and you can check if any item is available or unavailable in this set. This is what. Now I want to add a new item. We are going to see some methods to change the item. You can change the set item. Like I am going to add the item to a set. Like what we have, set 1, and I'm going to use the add method to add the orange item here. So earlier we had 3 items, and now I'm going to add orange. Now let's comment it, this one, otherwise it will run. Now let's run this. Now we have apple, cherry, banana and orange. This way you can add the item to an existing set. Now if you want to remove the item, then set 1, or you can update the item. Now I want to remove the item. What item I am going to remove? I am going to remove the banana because we have banana in this set. Now you can see. Now I am going to remove this one, and now we have result orange, cherry and apple. No banana. Why? Because I have removed. Now I am going to update few items here. So set 1, update grape and melon. I am going to update these 2 items. If you want to add a single item, then you have to use add method. If you want to add multiple items, then you have to use update method. With any iterable, you can use, here I am using a list, you can use tuple like this. So let's check first for this one, set 1, and now let's run. Now we have orange, melon, apple, cherry, grape. No matter which item appear at which place because they are unordered. But it is sure they might be added in this set. So this way, if you gonna update multiple items at once. If you want to add only single item, use add method. If you want to add multiple items, you use update and use remove to remove a single item. Now also I want to remove with set 1 discard. Discard is also method to remove. Now I have apple here, so I am going to remove the apple. Now we in result set 1, I have to write here set 1. Now we have cherry, melon, orange and grape. No apple because I have discarded apple. So remove is the method to remove item from an existing set. Discard is the item to remove the item from the existing set. There is one also item set one pop. Pop is also a method to delete or remove the item from the existing set. Now we have only 4 items here. Now let's run it. Now we have only 3 items because pop, discard and remove are used for removing the item from the existing set. Now I am going to use some operations over the multiple set. I am sure you have studied with a set theory in 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th or mathematics in BSc or MS set theory. There are multiple operations there. Union, intersection, symmetric difference. These are the methods. You may also heard about the Venn diagram. These are the sets operation. Venn diagram is the picture which represents the multiple set operations. These operations I wanna perform here in this video. So let's watch. Now let's create a set equal this one, set 2 and set 1 I have already there. So just comment it. We have set 1 like this one. So just cut it here and paste here so that you have 2 sets side by side. Now I'm going to use union. So what union will do? Set 1 union set 2. What does this mean? Set 1 and set 2, the items of both sets get union. That means they are going to mix up and make a single set. Now these are the union set. So union set equal this one. And now I'm going to print the union set. We have 6 items because 3 items in set 1 and 3 items in set 2 both get merged. Now let's clear this one and now let's run again. We have 6 items here. So union means you are going to merge the multiple sets item into one. Now in the same way I'm going to use the intersection of set 2. We have only set with no item. How this happen? This happen because I have used intersection method here. What intersection means? Intersection is the item of the both sets. If they are matching, will be your result. If they do not match even a single item, you will have set but no element, no item. That's what here. We have a result as a set but no item. Why? Because set 1 item and set 2 item, they are not matching even a single item of this. That's why. Now let's check the other operations. Now I am going to use the difference. What does difference means? Let's see the result first. We have banana, apple, cherry. In set and difference 2. Let's understand with the number sets value. So just replace this one as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and replace this one like this. Now check the difference between these two. Now let's check here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to difference here 4, 5. 4, 5 are the matching item. Now let's run this. We have answer 1, 2, 3. Answer is 1, 2, 3. That means 4, 5 and 4, 5 both are matching. And I'm going to minus this one from this one. Matching item get excluded, only this item is there. So this is the result 1, 2, 3. If you gonna minus opposite like this, then you 4, 5, 4, 5 get excluded and then you will have result as a 6, 7, 8. Now let's run it. Now you have 8, 6, 7 or 6, 7, 8. Item may have or may interchange their position because the 6 items are on order. So this way you can have a difference. And there is one, a symmetric difference. So I am going to use symmetric difference. What symmetric difference is? Difference you understand, and symmetric difference, what are the rest items in both sets get combined and have a single set as a result. Now let's run this. We have 1, 2, 3. because 4, 5, 4, 5 are matching and left with 1, 2, 3 in one set and left with 6, 7, 8 in another set. So 1, 2, 3 and 6, 7, 8 both get merged into a single set. That's why we have an answer like this. This is what a symmetric difference is. So these are the methods. Now I'm going to have some commented and now I'm going to clear the sets item. So set 1 clear. Now going to print set 1. We have set with no item because in set 1 we have cleared all the items using a clear method. So you have only sets with no item. And if you want to what type of this set, now let's run this. We have class set. That means we are using a set. Why class is coming here? Because class and objects makes the data workflow in Python is based on the class and objects because they make a workflow of data structures in Python so that you're gonna write your code. This is all about the set. Now let's get in with the dictionary. So let's delete this one and now create a dictionary. So creating dictionary, what a dictionary is. Let's first understand. Let's first understand what a dictionary is. Dictionary is also a collection of items, but the items should be in the format of key and value pair. Like what we have a real dictionary. Why we go for dictionary? We go for dictionary if I found a word which is difficult to understand. What does this word mean? Then I look for the dictionary. In the left side, we have a key. That means the word you are going to looking for in that dictionary. And in the right side, we have a value of this word. So in the same way, in a Python, we have left side in the key and the right side we have a value. So key and value pair. So dictionary is the collection of key and value pairs. Like what we have key as a name and value is Alice. If anyone go to search a name, your answer will be Alice. Again, we have age in the left side, 30 in the right side. That means value. And again, we have city in the left side and we have result New York in the right side. That means in the left side we have the keys, in the right side we have their related values. So in this format we have a dictionary and dictionary is also created with the curly bracket. That's why beginner may confuse because both use curly bracket but they serve completely different purposes. Because sets is the collection of unique items, those are unordered. No matter your next run item may get another place because the sets item may interchange their position to appear while you next run. But in dictionary, this will not happen. Now you have three key pair values. Now you want to add more value here. So my dictionary, I am going to use color equal red like this. Meaning we have three key pair values already going to add and I am going to add a color, the fourth key pair value here, color as a red. Like what we have named as a Alice, age is a 30. In the same way we have color is a key value, key as red is value. Now I am going to print my dictionary. Then we have name Alice, age 30, city New York and color is red. So this way you gonna add. You may also update. How to update? My age is 31. Age is already there but its value is 30. Now I am going to update the 31. Now you have age 31. They will not have the duplicate value age equal 30, again age equal 31. They will not have the duplicate value. Instead, if keys values are already there, which you gonna update here, that key, one key is removed automatically. You will not have to interfere this. It will get removed automatically, but the value you are going to put get replaced over the existing. This is what you gonna update any dictionary's value. So this way you gonna update a dictionary value. Now you gonna delete. So what I'm gonna delete? My dictionary gonna pop is like this. What this pop means? Pop means you have seen the last time. Pop means deleting, removing. So I'm going to remove the age. Age is the key. I'm not going to remove the values. Only going to remove the key. It will get removed key along with their value. So age and 30 both will replace. I'm not going to update here because 30 is already there. Now I'm going to run it. We have name Alice, city New York and color red. There is no age in the result because you have popped it. That means you have removed it. So this way you gonna remove this. Now I'm going to comment it so that age will be there. And now I'm going to show some other method. So I'm going to have a loop. Going to use looping over the dictionary. So for X in my dictionary, and now I'm going to print the keys value only. Keys value, that means name, age and city. Now we have name, age, city and color, the fourth one which I have added here. This keys value. All we gonna write here keys like this. You will have the same answer. Either you gonna define your keys or you gonna just write like this. You will have the keys answer. Now you want to have a values, then you have values answer. Just delete this one. Now let's run it. We have values, name, Alice, age 30, city New York and color red. And now if you want to key and pair values both at once, then you have to define X for key, Y for values. And then you have to use here items and print X and Y both like this. Now you run it, you have name, key and their value. Alice, age is a key, 30 is a value like this. You can have like this. Now if you want to delete some item here, so you're gonna delete my dictionary age. I'm going to delete the age which is a key and it will get deleted with their respective values also. Now here just comment it so that it will not run. Now we have name Alice, city New York, color and red. There is no age coming as an answer because you have deleted like this. You can also have just comment it. You will also have the same options here like what we have used in set. We have clear my dictionary clear. That means it will clear all the items from your existing dictionary and you will have only the blank curly bracket either side. That means you have a dictionary but no item, no key and value. And if you want to check is this real a dictionary or a set, so you have to check the type of this one Now let's run this. You have class dictionary. Earlier in set cases we have class set because type will show what data type of data structures you are going to deal with. So this way you know all about this dictionary. I hope you understand what a dictionary and a set is. And you know a set is a collection of only unique values and the items of the set are unordered. Every time you run, the item may change their places and they appear at different places. Every time you run, you will have item get displayed with their original position. Sets and dictionary both do not allow any duplicates value to have it. They have no interest to have a duplicates value with them. Let's see the comparison between them. Here we have feature, this is the set and the dictionary and we gonna compare by feature wise, their feature wise. Sets store only the unique value. Dictionary store the key and value pair. Both uses a curly bracket. Sets items are unordered and hence you do not have access to show the item or you can't have the access their item because they are unordered. But in dictionary you can have access using their key value. When you have something to write code for having the unique value, then you use set. But in case when you want to write some structured types of data, then I recommend you use dictionary. You have also seen the sets operation like union, intersection, difference, semantic difference. These are the kinds of sets operation, and you might study in your class of school times or college time. Let's quickly recap this. A set store only the unique values, but a dictionary store key and values pair. Sets are used for removing duplicates, but dictionaries are useful for organizing and retrieving data using your keys. Understanding between sets and dictionaries is mandatory for writing the programming code. Writing the programming code efficiently. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Just hit the subscribe button so that you hear the sound of the bell. Like, turn and share this video whosoever you know. Stay updated with the next upcoming video. Bye bye.